Right then, I've been dreading this. Bird's eye chilli here. Got Em here.
Hiya.
And just gotta do this. Oh, I'm so scared. Don't call me a chicken, Dad.
You wanted to do it.
Em's go.
No.
Little nip.
No.
Oh,
Want the milk? Do you want me to get the milk?
You took way too much then.
It's red.
Oh.
His face is red. Oh my god. Go on, Dad.
Just put your tip of your tongue on.
How's that for you,
Just
Em?
the tip of your tongue.
Oh my god.
Some more.
No, no, no. No, I'm not having it.
oh, that hurts. That hurts.
Ring of fire.
The ring of fire.
The ring of fire.
Good skills, dude. Some man points for that.
You got 1,000 man points. Oh my god, Liam.
You gotta do it again.
Oh, shut up.
Oh,
That's filthy.
I'll put that in the bin, mate.
Very supportive. I'm gonna have to end it there, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And peace.